closing properly. It's just stuck there. Here's a very big gap between the door steel frame and the wood. I need to close the gap. If I don't close the gap, the door will not shut properly. I need to put more support onto the steel frame to push it back towards the wood. Only 4 screws are supporting this heavy steel frame. So we'll use this one, it's more powerful. The gas is already gone by adding 4 screws. See, it's still stuck here. What I want to do is, later, we'll just grind it. This thing is too out, and because of that it touches the side of the frame here. And after I have done the screwing, it's a bit better, but of course you can push in if you want to, just like that.
要关注我的视频，点击 subscribe。
Wonderful. See, you have to grind away some of the metal here, such that it can go in. Oh, iron. Oh, the iron.